Just aim well.
Nie musisz tak przybliżyć, właśnie bo troszkę ja czuję tam, musisz tak przybliżyć głowę tutaj. O, tak najbliżej tego, żebyś to, o tam, ale teraz jeszcze jest, to trzeba...
Alright, so the bullet went out already. You shoot it. I want to try again, one more time, and it's like 4 meters from here.
Idealnie właśnie teraz trzymasz.
Just aim well.
And have your eye here.
Yeah, the pointer, there's a pointer. And there's a bottle. Shoot the target.
O, ale widziałem już było blisko. W sensie widziałem gdzie się gdzie wylądowało.
Rambo. What? It's like, I think it's going on the left or something.
I'll make it.
Caught you, got it, baby. Close.
Yeah, this is good, man. Well, someone is gonna try. Let's see that. I think it's not going out.
Wait, hold on.
Check it out.
It didn't go.
It's like 8 meters far from the bottle.
It goes, I think I know what, it goes a little bit more up. I saw the bullet and it goes a little bit more up. I think we have to aim more down.
You're sure the bullet went outside already or still stuck there? Maybe? Because I didn't hear that. Oh,
No, it's
going out. Yeah, it went out. Okay. No, you can't. It's not possible. If they stand somewhere else, then you can shoot it.
I'll wait. I'll go more there.
Go a little bit closer.
Hope Kotil makes it this time. I think there's some trouble with this gun. We're not sure yet. But as always, we never give up. It went more. I don't really know. Go close. I resumed. Should I? Yeah, because there's some trouble with this gun. We're not really sure why. I can shoot these birds up there. Yeah, it's... I don't know.
Where it goes?
To be honest...
Are the bullets. These are like real bullets here, as I can see that it's not like a real item, but it's different. Alright, so we are just going to shoot at pigeons. There are 2 pigeons standing on the post, electric post there. So let's see if someone can kill that pigeons or not. Let's try it. Actually, in Poland, it's not permitted to kill the pigeons or any birds, but we're in the village, so I hope no one can see what we are doing here. All right. So there's two pigeons. Someone, don't talk, be silent. Otherwise, they will fly away. There are two pigeons. All right. Here's the bullet. Come and get it. Okay.
On my list.
Just go a little bit closer, man. Just go closer and try it. We'll try to find small birds. Maybe we can shoot that and see that how, effective is that gun. That's an air gun in India. People are using that one, especially for, hunting. But it's very powerful. It's, kids cannot play that kind of gun as well. It's dangerous. It's very dangerous. Let's go and see. All right,
It literally went through.
Yes.
Left the mark.
You see that?
Stamtąd strzeliliśmy i
It's a lot of force. It's a lot of power, you see that. All right. Yeah.
I can kill a pigeon with this one easily.
I know. Even. Yeah. It's not for playing. Okay, Paula? Make sure that this is dangerous. Now Paula is gonna shoot this bottle. So here's her gun. And there's a bottle. Let's see how Paula's gonna shoot that. Okay. Do it now, Paula. Come on. Bravo. Wow. That's almost, I guess. Well, I was gonna try it one more time. Let's see how she's gonna shoot that. I hope she can get it now. That is Paula. All right, give it to Paula. Let's see.
Take your time, Paula.
Take your time. Just look at the pointer. There's a pointer, right? Yeah, that's the pointer. And you can see the bottle with that pointer. There's a pointer. There's a bottle there. It's like 8 meters. Wow.
Jak tam sterujesz butelek? Kurde, ale wychodziło mi ten. Ale wychodziło.
He's a professional. There's a bottle here. There's my father-in-law here. He's gonna shoot this. Let's see how he's gonna do it. I hope he will make it. Wow, he missed it. Try one more time.
Cylnąć co nie może. Ale nie dość, że się ręce trzęsą, to jeszcze stoją.
One more time.
Ola, przestań.
Voila. Okay. I hope you will make it now. Let's see. There is a bottle.
No nie.
Hope you'll make it.
I'll make it. Oh,
Never give up, remember. The first time is always difficult. We fail, we come back. We never give up. Rambo. Oh,
this can kill pigeons.
yeah. Easily. Just remember, don't shoot Jadek.
No, we have to shoot it. The pointer.
To nie zwierzę.
We cannot do pretend like this because this is danger, man. It's like really...
Polał, uważ. Ah, a little bit to the left.
Yeah.
But it turns. It turns.
Let's try? Yeah. Okay, I'm good for you. Okay,